Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. We're making another set today, and this set I saw on Instagram. I'm gonna see if I can find the picture, but I'm going to make mine a little bit different. But I'm going to also list all of the products that I use in this video down below in the description box. So I'm using these BT Art Box tips. I love these tips. You don't really have to do any shaping to them, but I am, and I'm only just going to bring them in just a little bit at the top, make them look a little bit more tapered, only because of the design that I'm doing. But I did use these nails before, and y'all saw in previous videos that I didn't file them down, I just buffed them. So here I am just buffing them away, taking away the shine so the polish could adhere much better. So the picture that I saw, I'm going to insert it right here. It was colorful, though I just decided to use two different types of pinks and just make a pink set. But I'm going to go ahead and just buff the rest of the nails off screen. And then we're going to come back and wipe them down with an alcohol pad. And you could use like a little dust brush as well to brush off the extra debris and then wipe it. That's what I do. I did the brush off camera. But yeah, dust off the debris, the extra dust from buffing, just so it won't get into your polish. I need to honestly get me one of those vents where it actually collect the dust like a dust collector, but they kind of expensive and it's not in my budget at this point. So we're going to be using a base coat, and you want to just put a very thin layer of base coat on each nail and then cure it for 30 to 60 seconds. I use 60 seconds when it comes to certain polishes. This is Madam Glam's base coat, and Madam Glam, like I mentioned in any of my other videos, depending on the collection, some of their polishes do run a little bit thicker than most, well, especially than the ones that I'm going to be using in this video. But for Madam Glam, I do 60 seconds, and it doesn't matter whether it's the base coat or the top coat or a regular polish from their different collections, but 60 seconds in between each layer. So just a thin layer of base coat, cure it for 60 seconds, and then we're going to go in with the design. So at this point, I just want to first thank y'all for watching and consider subscribing. But these two are from BT Art Box as well, just like the nail tips. So I'm going to go in with these two color pinks. I deleted the picture from my phone, so I'm not too sure if I inserted it already or not. But if I haven't, I just want to let y'all know that the design that I'm doing is a like croc design, and it's on every single nail. But in my design, I do like to make my little copycats a little bit different. I am going to do one full nail with this pink and then do the croc design on the whole nail instead of just on the tips like y'all will see later on in the video. But I'm going in with a thin coat, well, not a thin coat, a little bit of a thicker coat with this polish, because this polish is not like Madam Glam's, it is thinner. So I'm doing a thicker coat. But for the other nails, I am going in with Madam Glam's Pink Builder Gel. And y'all know this is one of my favorite base coats. I love this, and I'm running out, but this is super thick. So I'm definitely going to cure this whole layer for 60 seconds. Once it's completely cured for that 60 seconds, I am going to go in with a second coat for both colors, the BT Art Box Pink and the Madam Glam Pink Builder Gel. Going with the second coat, and I do believe I'm going to do that off camera. But when it comes to this Pink Builder Gel, y'all, you want a thin coat. So the pinky, that pink has a thicker coat, and then the Pink Builder Gel from Madam Glam's have a thinner coat because of the thickness of the polish. So this is the second coat, freshly out of the UV. And now we're going to go in with the design. So I'm using the lighter pink from BT Art Box, just like we did on the pinky. And the design called for like a half tip or half French. I don't know what you want to call it, but it's more so like a triangle. So I'm just going to do that on the remainder of the nail. So the thumb, the index, the middle, and the ring finger will all be the same, and then the pinky is different. Like I said before, the inspo pick does use different colors on each nail, but I decided to go in with all pink. Because why not? It's Wednesday. On Wednesdays, we wear pink. But I just felt as though pink is cuter. And I did have all of the other colors. I think it used purple, green, blue, pink, and of course in some pictures you can't see the thumb, but I probably would have incorporated an orange or a yellow if I was doing the different colors. But because I decided to go with pink, we're going to do a light pink and a dark pink. And I tell you, this is like the third time I'm doing my nails this week because, like I told y'all before, I do have a new TikTok page for strictly for nails, and it's called Tea on Nails. I'll put the name on the screen. But trying to post videos on that page, I have to, do nails constantly, whether it's making a set or applying a press-on set from Temu or the Dollar Tree, or whether or not I'm, sprucing up a pair of nails from them same stores, including Family Dollar. But that is going to be one of our next nail videos, y'all. I'm going to show y'all how I enhance a pair of press-ons from any store. Doesn't matter what store it is, you can do the same technique. But that will be one of our next videos. But yeah, y'all, I'm just literally doing the same little I don't know what it's called. I'm gonna call it a half French on each nail. We're gonna cure that for 60 seconds, and then I'm going to go in with a second coat. And I know I'm gonna do that off camera because I'm still recording a TikTok, y'all. But anyway, cure that 60 seconds. You can do 30 seconds because this is just the BT Art box polish. But after it's cured, we're gonna go in with some blooming gel. The blooming gel is what gives the nails like that crack effect, or y'all know what effect I'm talking about. So I'm using the darker pink from BT Art box just to go over it. And I did do this set before. I practiced on like a shorter nail. I didn't like how it looked on a shorter nail. I like how it looks on a longer nail. However, y'all know I won't wear this length outside. But anyway, I tried the dark pink as the base and then the light pink as the crock, and it was okay. So I just reversed it, and I honestly think this looked a little better because you could see the design a lot better. So when you apply your blooming gel, you don't cure it. You go straight in with the polish of your choice, and then you make the design that you prefer. So I'm just using a different brush. I got these brushes from Temu, and I'm literally just making dots. And as the polish sets inside the blooming gel, it literally blooms, and it spreads evenly, not evenly, but it spreads to create that croc design or snake. Is it croc or snake? Y'all always ask y'all. I don't know, but it makes that design that y'all see in this video. All right, so I'm just doing that on the nails, and then like I said, we're gonna go in with y'all guessed it, of course, some stones, and that's that. But yeah, y'all, follow me on TikTok, both my personal page and my nail page, because I am going to start a press-on nail business. I just want to practice a little bit more, and I want to just get the word out that I do nails, or press-ons. Let me not say that I do nails, because people be like, ooh, I want my nails done. My sister forever telling me she want her nails done, but she don't want to wear a press-on. And I'm like, girl, I don't do acrylics yet. Not yet. But she also told me that the other day she rode past the nail salon and wasn't nobody in there. So y'all know press-ons is becoming a thing, especially because of inflation. Ain't nobody paying $150 or more for a set that you can't change the next week, or is probably not going to come out right. It might not even last a whole 2 weeks. Press-ons is just way more cheaper, convenient, affordable. It's like, I think the only thing that makes girlies scared about the press-ons is whether or not they're going to pop off. And I'm gonna be completely honest, they are going to pop off, especially if you don't have a technique down packed on how to apply them, how to prep your natural nail to get them to last longer, or using the right type of glue. However, you carry your nail glue with you, just like you would carry your credit cards, your lip gloss, or whatever. And if it pops off, it pops off. Everybody knows that the nail is not yours. So it's like, you gonna be embarrassed for a quick second, or are you going to go broke paying X amount of dollars just for a nail to stay on your finger? To each his own, to each his own. But anyway, we're finally going to be using these Ione rhinestones from the Dollar Tree. And just like I said, go around the border with the rhinestones. And then at the bottom of it, we're going to like curve it a little bit. Y'all see. But just put the rhinestone glue. I'm using McCart's rhinestone glue, and it works. It works okay. I prefer Gorilla Glue. I just haven't been to Family Dollar to get any. But the McCart is doing its job and doing what needs to be done for the time being. So, like I said, we are going to curve the end, and you'll see in a minute. I did use 2 different sizes of stones. Y'all, don't get me to lying. Please don't. Y'all know I'm not a nail tech. I don't know the sizes of these stones or anything, like the millimeters. I know one is bigger than the other. So you can decide how you want to apply them. And I honestly wanted to put some pink stones on here too, but I decided to just go with all silver. So can y'all see, like, it's curved at the bottom? Y'all see. But anyway, you can apply these stones however you like, but I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing with the other nails. And I did do that off camera. So now that that's done, I did cure those as well for 60 seconds after all of the stones was applied. But once that's done, we're just going to go in and top coat it, and we done, y'all. Of course, we're going to apply them. We're going to be using the KDS glue, and I think I'm gonna just go ahead and just let the end play out. But that's pretty much it. After top coat is applied, you cure.